Hey guys, got a new gun from my collection to show you today. Some of the longtime viewers may remember this gun from a previous video. I'm having to reshoot a few of these due to some platform issues. But this is a 9mm blowback rifle. It is obviously a prototype or a one-off for sure, maybe a proof of concept rifle for sure. Very unique looking. A little bit more about it. It does take Glock 19 mags. The internal trigger parts are AR-15 semi-auto parts, and of course, it has a forward grip here. I guess reminiscent of an M60 E4. Maybe I'll cut to a picture there. See what you think. Maybe, maybe. The buttstock has a little bit of I guess, a scar look about it, and the front has a little AUG look. The barrel is actually a 16-inch Uzi, 9mm barrel that has been used for these purposes. Let me let you get a little better look at some of the lines. It's got some lines for sure. Again, direct blowback. The top, all this stuff steel. The bottom is aluminum. Of course, the barrel, and there's the forward grip, and a bipod is on there as well. Well, enough talk about it. Let me take it to the range, let you guys see it in action. I'll do a few shots from the bench and a few shots standing up. All right, there it is. I mean, it's a fun, weird, prototype, proof of concept gun from again from my collection. So to field strip this thing, there are eight Phillips head screws up here, and again, should never use Phillips head screws um, on a gun. But let me take those off, and this top plate will come right up, and we'll take it from there. Let me do that real quick. Okay, so I got that top plate off. That's just a scope rail mount. Again, that's just aluminum. Let's get a look down in here. The bolt mass is like 27 ounces, which might be a little heavy for 9mm, but it does function fairly well. The mag release is definitely the weak part of the mechanism. Again, Glock magazines, the polymer mag catch with aluminum, things just don't ride well like that. But again, this was probably just a proof of concept gun. The next step is to unscrew the bolt handle, and then the bolt can be pulled back, and the magazines, the mainspring and the mainspring guide can come in at the top. Let me do that. So there's the mainspring and mainspring guide, and the bolt handle just threads into the bolt. Get that bolt out for you here. That's really the most impressive part of this whole thing. Again, it weighs about 27 ounces, big chunk of steel, because it's a direct blowback rifle. There's a spring-loaded firing pin down here, and an extractor here. Looks like it came off an AR-15. So does the ejector down in there, kind of a spring-loaded ejector. Not a lot to it. The everything nests down in this hole right here is where the mainspring nests. Let me get you a look down in here. Like I said, it has a standard AR-15 semi-auto trigger mechanism, with a disconnector and everything. And of course, the Glock mags are right there. To take the mags out, you would press it on the other side, and the magazine should come on out the bottom there. So again, yeah, just standard Glock 17 magazines. A few of the little tidbits. The buttstock here is just made of wood, and it's just painted black. And that front grip, that's a aluminum, I guess, kind of a mounting mechanism for the front grip, and just a Harris bipod with a crazy adapter on the front. Certainly has a look about it. Real quick, guys, I do have some books available on Amazon. They're about some other guns from my collection, not particularly this one. But there is a playlist on my channel called Books on Guns, and there'll be a video for each one of these books. So check out those videos. You might be interested in some of these books, again, available on Amazon. Okay, let's get back to it. And optics-wise, I've got this aim point on there right now. I had an ACOG on it when I took the range. Of course, everything looks better with an ACOG on it, so I might put that back on here. But to reassemble, first thing we'll do is we'll put the bolt back in there, and the mainspring and the spring guide. Let me do that real quick. Okay, got that back together. I was going to say, if you really like this kind of stuff and you want to see more details, I do have a channel over on Rumble, Garage Guy 3006. There's a more in-depth video if you really want to see more of the nuts and bolts. But For field strip, that's as far as you got to go. You of course have access to the barrel and stuff when you had the bolt out. The next step would be to reattach all 8 of these little screws on this plate up top. Let me do that real quick. There's that back together, and of course the magazine um, just goes in like that. It's got some odd lines on it for sure, but it is a weird one. So there it is, guys. My 9 millimeter. I guess you'd call it. It's a prototype, but probably more of a proof of concept gun rifle from my collection. Just have some pretty unique guns in my collection. I like sharing them with you guys. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Be safe and God bless. Thanks.